Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a working Blender scene, exported frames, and a verified SheepIt account. First, compress only necessary assets to keep upload sizes small. You'll save time and bandwidth. Once done, open the SheepIt project creation page, give your job a clear name, set frame range and resolution, then upload your project archive. Make sure to select the correct render engine and frame step. This gets you into the queue quickly and avoids basic mismatches before rendering begins. Now you configure execution details so your job runs reliably. You set priority and max clients to balance speed versus resource usage. Choose a chunk size that matches scene render time, because small chunks increase overhead while large ones risk wasted work. Once configured, enable file caching to reduce transfer for repeated assets and set assignment timeout to protect against stalled clients. Before full submission, run a brief test render of 5-10 frames to confirm paths and plugins load correctly, so you avoid mass failures. Finish by actively monitoring the job dashboard. Accept completed frames promptly to free tasks, and download rendered chunks as they finish so you can begin compositing. If frames fail, reassign them immediately and inspect client logs to find missing files, plugin errors, or incompatible renderer versions. Once you identify the root cause, update the archive and resubmit only the affected frames. If many clients show the same error, pause the job, fix the project, and run another short test before full resumption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.